Bunny Chow is an absolutely perfect comfort food. Curry in a bread sounds ordinary, but together it is a stunning combination of two cultures. You have never come across a sandwich like this, isn't it? It's yummy, spicy and delicious. Bunny Chow is very unique, portable and popular South African street food that exhibits the natural fusion of Indian and South African cuisine. A highly spiced curry that will get any spice lover excited. Today, let's try Healthyliciousbites version of Veg Bunny Chow. Toss the whole spices in the pan until they are fragrant and completely toasted. Transfer to the spice mixer and grind it to rough powder. Let's heat up the heavy bottom pan and add oil. To this, add cumin seed and can of tomatoes. Now it's time to add our dry spices. See the description box for all ingredients and quantities used for this recipe. Cut your potatoes in big chunks. Let's add them to curry. Mainly, Bunny Chow is made with red meat, but today we are making vegetarian Bunny Chow. We are going to replace meat with dry soya noodles. You can also use red beans, chickpeas or vegetables. Add salt to taste and mix all ingredients. Now let's add a cup of water. Let it simmer for 10 minutes until potatoes are cooked well. Let's add our homemade Bunny Chow masala. 2 to 3 spoons is just enough for that magical aroma. Keep the flame low and cook for good 15 minutes more. Curry is almost ready. It's time to add now coconut milk. It will give us a thick and rich creamy curry. It will be perfect for a medium spice lover. If you like hot and spicy, then get tempering. Just add hot chili oil to your curry. To serve this yummy and delicious Bunny Chow curry, let's get a loaf of bread. Cut in the middle. Now let's take one part, scoop out in the middle, spoon the curry directly into the hollow out loaf and serve immediately. Enjoy this mind-blowing yummy curry on any day and any time. There you guys, that's Healthyliciousbites Veg Bunny Chow recipe. I hope you liked today's video. If you do, stay tuned for more healthy and delicious bites. Please subscribe and share the love of cooking. Thank you for staying on a healthy side. I hope to see you in next video. Until then, have a healthylicious day.